afternoon. Thank you for calling Manila Base Hotel. How may I assist you?
Hi, I'd like to make a reservation for our next meeting.
Certainly. May I know the check-in and check-out dates?
Sure. Check-in on Friday the 22nd and check-out on Sunday the 24th.
Great. How many guests will be staying?
Just me.
Prepare a single or double room.
A single room, please.
Perfect. May I have your full name to book the reservation?
It's Ivona Maya.
Thank you, Miss Umaya. Would I also have your contact number and email for the booking confirmation?
Of course, my number is 555-7890 and my email is ivonemaya@gmail.com.
That's it. Will you need any special requests like a non-smoking room or a late check-out?
A non-smoking room, please.
Noted, your reservation is confirmed for a single room check-in on Friday, the 22nd, and check-out on Sunday, the 24th. You receive a confirmation via email or